You know, this dreary gaming weather reminds me of what it's like here. Has anyone else noticed the extraordinary, absurd amount of rain that the eastern United States has just been destroyed with lately? I mean, you know, I noticed because I'm in Ohio, so east-ish, but I mean, it's crazy. I've never seen so much rain. It's rained for the last, like, 19, 20 days in a row. I mean, in big thunderstorms, lots of lightning, lots of crap. It's been crazy. I'm actually going to have to cut the grass again. I cut the grass 2 days ago, but because of all this frickin' rain, gotta cut it already. It's just ridiculous. It's so wet. Just like this frickin' map. It's just so wet. It's always raining and dreary and ugh. A bunch of crap over here, man. Couldn't get out. This game is not going very well. Wow. Why not? Let's go ahead and open her up. Yeah. It's okay. That's it. Well, it's slightly depressing. You know, whatever. That's cool. So cool. So good. In all seriousness, though, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you did, please slap that like button. Please subscribe if you've not already, and I will see you guys in the next video. Goodbye.